And this is one of my favorites of the ones that I released last year. Most of what I got on my set list today for Sirens in the Spotlight is for specifically geared toward any of you who might be feeling like a fish out of water lately. I know it's early, but it's still okay to laugh at my jokes. This is called Wild River Child. I come from the land of the wild river gods, where the joker was never a throwaway card. Better keep this in mind when you bank on the odds, or I'll wash your soul away. My mother the moon, my father the tide, gave me wisdom enough to be nobody's bride. You think that you're tough sugar, swallow your pride, or I'll wash your soul away. I won't need to do it, I just take it as it comes. When the black rain falls and the west wind rolls, but you cannot stop the river if she decides tonight's the night to rise. I am more than a prize to be won by your smile. I'm a wind and a storm, the wild river child. If you got what it takes, we could talk for a while till I wash your soul away. Yeah. Sirens may sing, prophets decry, hucksters all claim that they'll teach you to fly. In the time that it takes just to form your reply, I will wash your soul away. So help me, I'm a wild, wild river. So help me, I'm a wild, wild river. So help me, I'm a wild, wild river child. I won't mean to do it, I just take it as it comes. When the black rain falls and the west wind blows, I won't mean to hurt you when I do what I do, but you can't stop the river. With my brother the mud, my sister the air, I will walk with the flood like a captain's despair. See, I don't suffer fools, I've seen more than my share, and I'll wash your